It's now like a town. And this is our base camp.
Oo. Magandang
It's a big place, yung.
Oo. Akle?
Yes. The real camp is a mountain. And this is forest before.
Yeah? No?
This used to be a forest. We call the real our camp Victory Hill. The Victory Hill.
Camp Victory Hill. Ito Lola, Panday ito eh. Itong Panday, yung nakatira dito.
Panday.
Galing Batangas.